Hello, my name is Erica Valenstein, and I am presenting this school board presentation to the Montgomery County Public Schools District. This presentation is called Why Chromebooks? First, why update technology in education? This is something that we need to understand before even diving into the type of technology that we are going to use in the classroom. It is important to understand the type of world we live in. We are living in exponential times. The amount of new technical information is doubling every 2 years. This means that technology that students use at the beginning of a four-year degree will be outdated by the time they graduate. This pace has only grown more and more rapid as the years have progressed. It is important that as a district we stay up to date with current technology in order to provide the best education possible for our students. So what do Chromebooks have to do with this? Well, Chromebooks continually run updates. In order to understand this, we need to understand where all of the data and information in a Chromebook is housed. Chromebook information is not housed in the computer like a normal laptop. This information is all kept in a cloud. This is a central location that Google controls. Because Google controls where all this information is stored, they can run as many updates as they want automatically for us. What this means is if we buy a Chromebook, the technology that we use today is going to be different from the technology in another couple years, even if we're using the same device, because it's going to be what's most recent. Buying a Chromebook will allow you for this opportunity. So, well, how will the technology help? In order to understand how technology will help, we need to understand what our job force has become. The top 10 jobs last year in 2013 did not even exist in 2004. All of these jobs are directly connected with updating technology. What does this mean for education? Well, we are preparing our students for jobs that do not even exist yet, plain and simple. This means that our teachers need to focus on critical thinking and problem skills in the classroom. Technology can help embed these skills into everyday instruction. Technology can open the doors to so many new skills and opportunities for learning that will be so important for the jobs they may have one day. So why Chromebooks? Choosing Chromebooks to distribute throughout the county was an extremely wise decision. Chromebooks, as stated before, constantly update themselves. They are completely run off the internet. In addition to this, students also have constant access to the internet as long as they are in a wireless network. Using the internet, students can use millions of constantly updated Web 2.0 tools. This allows students to use new and innovative tools to support their own learning. Chromebooks also are great for quick access to Google Hangouts, which is a text and video conferencing feature that allows you to conference with anyone who has a Google Plus account and an internet connection anywhere in the world. Chromebooks also provide for quick access to Google Drive, where students can store and create electronic files. Students can also collaborate with multiple students contributing to one document or presentation. And finally, Chromebooks provide thousands more apps that can be downloaded for use on Chromebook. The opportunities are completely endless. So what's next? Obviously, you have already made the wise decision to purchase the Chromebooks. It is not enough to purchase the Chromebooks and then distribute them. Teachers need to understand how to use these devices for effective teaching and learning. Without a teacher who knows what he or she is doing with the device, it might as well be a dust collector with no purpose, which means you've just wasted a lot of money. So again, what's next? Train the teachers. Well, why should we spend money and train the teachers? The basics of understanding why we need to do this is simple. Take a student who has been given a project to do. This student has received no guidance, directions, or support. Instead, he or she may have been simply asked to complete it. Overwhelmed student is to less than stellar production. This student is obviously overwhelmed with the expectation, and whatever it is that the student produces will not be as complete or well-rounded as it would have been if the student received the scaffolding and support that he or she needed. Okay, take this next scenario. Similar to the prior one, a teacher has been given a Chromebook to teach with, but no guidance or support on how to use it. This teacher can do research herself, but this will take a lot of time that the teacher just does not have. As a result, the teacher is completely overwhelmed and does not use the Chromebook to its full potential. Overwhelmed teacher is to less than stellar instruction. This is so important to understand. Here's the data that backs it up. This slide shows data pulled from 15 teachers at various levels throughout the county. Looking at this graphic, we can see that the majority of participants in this survey feel supported with the technology only sometimes. This is a problem. Even more concerning is that 13% of the participants feel that they are never supported enough. That's huge. Imagine being a student in one of these teachers' classrooms. Due to the lack of support these teachers feel, it is safe to say that they are overwhelmed and not using the technology to its full potential. So what is the solution? Well, the Chromebook District Technology Training Plan you have in front of you is the answer. This is a week-long course that can be given every day for 1 week or split up among the entire semester. This plan not only provides important lectures on how to use a Chromebook, but provides opportunities for application, practice, and support even after the course has concluded. This is huge. A lot of the workshops that are provided in Montgomery County Public Schools is a one-time workshop. Even if it lasts a few weeks, there's rarely any follow-up support. Maybe that's why teachers feel only sometimes supported. Well, let's look into this. Because if we provide support even after the course is concluded, like this particular district technology training plan, then maybe we can reach those teachers that really, really need it. Finally, these are my references. My statistics were gathered from a YouTube video called Did You Know 2014. These are updated statistics. And then finally, the survey was conducted and created by myself in order to interview teachers within our actual county. Thank you so much for viewing my presentation, and I certainly hope that this district training technology plan goes into